Hi, I'm Misty Flowers. I will be your instructor for the next several weeks. I just want to introduce myself and give you a little information about me. I taught in a public school system for 30 plus years. The first half of my teaching career, I taught kindergarten, first, third, fifth, and sixth grades. I also taught reading recovery during that time. The last half of my career, I was a literacy specialist trained through Ohio State Literacy Collaborative, and I helped implement the literacy framework of the district that I was working in. I am also at times a RESA assessor. I've been an adjunct with Mount Vernon since 2015. And currently, I teach English to children in China online every morning, which is very interesting. A little bit about my personal life. I'm married. I have twins, a boy and a girl. We have 2 golden retrievers and 2 cats. So I look forward to meeting you.